Is the bottom for Bitcoin finally in, or is this just a dead cat bounce that we're seeing here right now on the daily chart? That is something that we have to talk about. And of course, I have so much more content for you prepared, guys. So many charts that we have to go over here. So definitely stick around here until the end, and make sure, if you're new to the channel, please smash up the like button, click subscribe, and also activate the notification bell so that you will never miss out on these important updates. So, and now let's get here directly into the charts, guys. So we have finally broken above the $16,700 level here with this candle yesterday, with that nice pump that we have seen here. And now I see people on Twitter and everywhere screaming, the bottom is in, we have finally made it, we are out of the woods, we will go back up now, slowly but steady. So, but let me tell you why I have a problem with that. So first of all, you can see that we got rejected from $17,300 approximately, and are now heading under $17,000 again. So there is for sure a retest coming of $16,700 all the way here for that neckline. So, and then I believe we could actually break lower and go back into our now support zone here before we see any further upwards movement. Another reason why I believe that is that here on the stochastic RSI, we are, after today's close, in heavily overbought conditions. So that means the price has either to come down, or to start to go sideways while the indicator is coming down. So, and that will also have an effect on the MACD, where we will start to slowly roll over here on the MACD over the next couple of days. So, and I want to have a look here on the on the EMA ribbons. Also here you can see from the third string within the ribbon, we got rejected and are now trading at the bottom of the last string, and we are basically hanging on by a thread here to drop out of the EMA ribbon. And once this is happening, then we will also see further downwards movement. So after such a massive drop that we have seen here, we don't normally turn immediately back around here with the EMA ribbon and start to climb higher here again. We have multiple drops when the EMA ribbon is flipping bearish. So we had already here now for quite a while, quite a lot of drops. So we were here the last time bullish on the EMA ribbon last year December, which is crazy. So almost a year already. So, but we had only 2 attempts to break above the ribbon, like good attempts here and there, and here a small one. So normally we see another leg to the downside, and then by the next attempt to break above the EMA ribbon, there we actually get the convincing one. So another reason why what is pointing to that is here again this bullish divergence, hidden bullish divergence on the weekly chart. I don't believe that this candle will stay bullish for this week. I actually believe that this will be a red candle by the end of the week. And then on Monday, there we could potentially finally see the green candle that we're waiting for, getting a bullish close for Bitcoin next week. And then the bottom might have been in at that point in time. So, but I also want to point out here, we have here a tweezer bottom scenario that could hint that we have potentially see the bottom. So, but for now, things are still shaky in the market. I would not bet all my money on that the bottom is already in. I like to wait to see what is happening by the end of the week. It's already Thursday, so we don't have to wait so much longer for that to actually see that. So I have actually opened a short position that is right now around 20% in profit on BYBIT and on Phemex. Unfortunately, I don't have it open here. But I will post it in my Telegram channel. I will post screenshots of my trade in my Telegram channel so that you just see that I'm really trading. The link is in the comments below for that. So if you don't want to miss the next trade, that is another reason why you want to definitely join the free Telegram channel and also the paid channel. And don't forget, if you use the same exchanges that I'm using here on BYBIT, you still get up to $30,000 absolutely for free and bonuses with my specific link. And on BYBIT on Bitget, $20,000 also absolutely for free with my specific link, guys. That is $50,000 accumulated. If you trade this on 10x, it would be $500,000 absolutely for free. So definitely take advantage as long as it's lasting. So now let's go quick to the last chart that I have here, and that is the 1 hourly chart. So, and here also something concerning and interesting is unfolding. So we have here this initial pump to the upside above the former resistance level, now support, but this starts to look like a head and shoulders pattern. So if we come back down here and we pump back up beneath $16,900 and we don't go above that, sorry, I'm not so good at drawing. So we come back up here, go down like this, then we have a head and shoulders pattern, and that could take us severely down all the way to around $15,900. So, and that is a scenario here on the 1 hourly chart that I'm closely watching, and that is another reason why I'm right now in a short position, because I am quite certain that that might be a scenario that we could see unfolding here in the next coming hours and days. Guys, that's it already for today's video. That was a really quick one. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments below if you think that we go way lower than the previous low, or if the bottom is already in. I would like to know. And again, thanks to all the new subscribers. Make sure, if you're not a subscriber yet, to smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you then again tomorrow.